Now if your feet looks like this or like this video is for you, because my feet looks like that, but currently this is how they look very soft and like baby feet. So this video is for you if you're struggling with cracked heel. I have a home remedy for you, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, to share. Let me know where you're watching this video from. Also, let me know which is your hack for not having cracked heels. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. So I'll need body wash or shower gel, then some salt and baking soda, a lemon and lemon juice, and then after that I'll just add some few drops of vinegar. After that, after I've added vinegar, I'll add rosemary. Now all these ingredients, they help in exfoliating of the skin and softening. Lemon specifically helps in brightening of the skin. Then I've added warm water, and this is currently how my feet looks like. The heel is kind of dry, not cracked but dry, a lot of dead skin. So this is what I want to remedy. So I'll soak my feet for some few minutes, like 10 to 15 minutes. So after soaking the feet, after that the heels, the dead skin will have softened because of the ingredients that I have used. The baking soda, I've used salt, which act as a natural exfoliant. So yeah, they are helping. Then after that, I'll start scrubbing the feet using a stone. I mean, just using a mere stone, the one that you can just buy in the market if you're in Kenya. Yeah, so just remove the dead skin, and like you can see, the whitish thing, the dead skin is really coming out. Like, yeah, I had a lot of dead skin, by the way. It's been a minute since I scrubbed my feet, and therefore that's the reason. Now, dead skin, if they accumulate for so long, they lead to the cracking of the heel. That is why you need to scrub your feet like very, very often. If you cannot manage daily, then I think at least twice or thrice a week it will work. Like you can see the dead skin, and there is I think there is no day that I've scrubbed my feet and I didn't get some dead skin. Like there is always some dead skin. I don't know why. Yeah, but I think it's because of wearing some open each and every day. Then after that, I'm just going to soak for some few minutes, and just to ensure that I've cleaned everything and the heel is very soft and clean and all the dead skin is out. So I'm doing the finals here, like you can see. Then I'm going in with my homemade scrub, DIY homemade scrub, and it is a coffee scrub. So I will also use that to scrub the heel, and of course the upper part, I'm going to extend the glaze to the upper part of the feet, like you can see. So guys, after this procedure, you will not recognize your feet. If you have been struggling with dry cracked heels, you're not going to recognize your feet after this procedure. So please try it out, and yeah, don't forget to support my channel by subscribing, like, sharing and commenting. So stay tuned, because we are almost over, but it's getting so interesting, yeah, as we move on. So just scrub everywhere. You're allowed to scrub everywhere, even in between the toes. They really get a lot of dead skin, so don't forget that area. It's very necessary. Yeah, so stay tuned. Also, let me take this opportunity to say thank you to those of you who have subscribed to my YouTube channel, to those of you, the OGs, who are always here commenting, supporting my channel, engaging with my channel. I really appreciate, and thank you so much for that. I wish you are near so that I could hug you. It really means a lot to me. It gives me morale, at least, to create content each and every day, because I know most of the people are struggling with dry cracked heels, and cuticles and all that. So that is what I do in my channel. So check all the videos that I have done. I have so many. I know they are going to motivate you to do your own foot care. So after that, I'm going to rinse off all the scrub and the dirt that I had accumulated. So fresh water, and then after I'm done with this, I'm just going to dry my feet. When you're drying your feet, never forget to dry in between your toes, because hair girl, you don't want to get any infection in between your toes, which is led by moisture if you don't dry in between your toes. Then after drying, the most awaited part and the part that I really love is moisturizing my feet. So today I'm just going to use my body lotion. That is what I'm going to moisturize my feet with. I really recommend jelly, for example Vaseline. For those of you who have really clacked heels, like they are really clacked heel, I would really recommend that. But body lotion that you're using, or any other moisturizer, body oil, or any other oil is still recommended. And this is the result, guys. I wish you can get hold of these heels on my feet. They are so soft, like so soft. Yeah, so this is the result. Like you can see, I wish the camera is doing the justice, but I know you can see something. Then after this, if you are struggling with cracked heel, you will require socks like that looks like this. Can you see those socks? So you wear those socks overnight. And guys, stop walking barefoot. So subscribe and stay tuned for the next